everyone. My name is Sophie, a student from Athens International School, and this is my partner.
My name is Kijang Sir, and I'm from Udover International School. Today, for the theme of unbelievability and possibility, we have chosen the topic of hot weather due to CO2 emission. Now, one of the greatest parts about Earth is that it can clean itself. Carbon dioxide is a naturally occurring gas in the atmosphere. Now, during this naturally occurring gas, there's going to be a way for it to naturally decrease. However, it cannot compensate for the human-generated CO2 level that is produced today.
If we don't do anything about it, it causes several problems like 1. The Arctic glacier would make the risk of more flooding. 2. More drought. 3. Unavoidable melting from due to the strength. 4. Monetary disaster is being predicted. If we keep an over carbon emission trend, then the ocean could reach up a meter higher and 2.8 to 4.8 degrees.
To do experiments, we must first do the preparation. To do the preparation, we must first cut the outer layer of the coconut shell until you see the dark, all dark. And then after dark, after you see those dark spots, and then you need to clean it. After cleaning it, you have to put it in the microwave. And then when you put it in the microwave, you take it and then you put as a label. As a label, you must put it again and again and again until the mass of the coconut shell doesn't change. After it doesn't change, you proceed to burn it. After burning it, it should look like this. I have two kinds of it, as a powder kind and as block and pieces of it. Then we put carbon zinc chloride solution because we need the activated carbon to be dry.
First, carefully drop approximately 3 ml of acid into the calcium carbonate, then quickly close off the entrance. Once made it have a reaction, it would then create gas. This gas will travel to the pipe to the piece of coconut shell. And then we have to do that all again with the same amount of calcium carbonate and calcium. The calcium hydrogen should start to bubble a few times, and the same goes to the piece of coconut shell. This is the piece of coconut shell reaction. Here's an example. If we didn't put any coconut shell into it, we can see that this one bubbles a lot more, and the water is clear and translucent.
By the end of the result, we found out that this one, as a normal reaction, is thicker, while these two are not. This is also not clear, while this two is not. This one is the power of coconut shells, and this one is the pieces of coconut shell. We did this because we want to compare these two. And by the end, we observed thoroughly these two, and we found out the powder of coconut shells absorb much more carbon dioxide more than the pieces of coconut shells.